Hello guys, IvanSonicGamer here, back at it again with another funny video. Today we are doing a food review. We are doing a very special food review because I have my jaundice pendant. It is very strong, compressed jaundice in the crystal. It is so powerful. Alright Dimitri, that is enough. Okay, and something is for dinner today.
Hey chef, what's for dinner?
SLOP! Slime! So, these were requested by my fan, Atom2. These are a very funny food made by Pilot Red Sun on YouTube. He makes a lot of funny comedy online. So I'm going to eat these two foods tonight, and let's dig in, guys. No, Dimitri, what? Dimitri, what are you? Dimitri, no! Okay guys, sorry about that. So we are going to dig in now. Okay, this one is very delicious. Now let's try slime. Alright guys. Now this one I really don't want to eat, but I kind of have to since it is the other fun food. Okay, alright, I am all done for now. But today I just listened to the new Gorillaz album, which is called The Now Now. It is a really fun... Okay guys, I'm all safe. I am all safe. I think.
You okay?
I am okay. I'm okay, guys. So let me find my hat. I need my hat.
Right here.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. All right. Oh no! My glasses, guys! No! No glasses!
Society.
Leprosy, please, I'm immobilized, please.
I must immobilize you. With the power of the leprosy stone. You know the way. Wait. We live in a society.
Who is that under the mask? Who is that? Who is that? Get up! Get up now! Get up! Get up! Get up! Get up!
Your goalkeepers got him!
Who is that? Who is that?
The clock,
The clock!
I think.
Again? No! Clock! The Now Now is the best album, Clock!
Any last words to your subscribers?
Fuck you. He's dead. No, leprosy.
Bro,
Bro, I just want to talk, bro, please, bro. This is bad. Come back, help!
what's for dinner?
What the fuck? It's Clock, guys.
No, it's Dimitri, not Clark.
That is not Dimitri.
Dimitri, not Clark.
That is not Dimitri. You are not Dimitri. All right, if you're Dimitri, tell me the best Gorillaz album.
No.
No, it is the fall.
Yes.
It is the fall, Dimitri. You know this.
Yeah.
He's not dead, guys. He might pretend he is dead. He's not dead. No, fuck. It's jammed. It's jammed. It's jammed.
We gotta go. We gotta go. We gotta go. We gotta go.
What do you want? What do you want from me?
We should have had a deputy stone.
What do you want
I
from me?
command. Hey!
Clock.
No!
Clock.
Dimitri.
Your clock.
Dimitri.
I have your John Despended clock.
I know what to understand. I want clock.
You
Dead.
no. You want clock dead.
Yeah.
You will have clock dead.
No, that's not
No,
clock.
it's jammed. It's jammed.
That's no clock.
I need a savior. He's going to stab me, guys.
No.
Guys, this might be the final goodbye. Goodbye, Uganda Knuckles Gamer 420. Goodbye, Mario Gamer 420. Even though you called Pokemon gay at school. Ah! He's killing me, guys. I need a savior. I need somebody to help me. Please, somebody. Please. Please, somebody, please. Please. Please, somebody. Help me. Oh, God, guys. Guys. What the fuck? No, help. Help me. Help me. Help me. Bro. Hey.
Take up the camera. Let me get the camera.
Joel, he's getting the camera, Joel. He needs some milk.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh.
Guys, he's going to kill me. He's going to kill me. Joel, what are you doing?
Jesus Christ.
Joel, what are you doing? What are you doing, though?
Your mom.
Joel, what the fuck? No.
I believe this belongs to me. I own Five Guys now.
Brothers.
Never.
No, I'll get hold. Somebody get the camera.
Sorry, guys.
Is that the camera? Okay, guys. This is a very emotional episode of IvanSonicGamer.
I feel like Post Malone with that.
I came very close to death a couple different times, guys, and I am even close to death right now. But thankfully, my savior Dole has gotten me saved by the clock in the end. He is severely wounded. He cannot attack me right now, but I know he will later. So please, if you guys are listening, if you guys are out there, please keep me in your prayers. Please keep Barnau, Siberia in your prayers. And please hit the notification bell. Goodbye.